Now talking about Rahul Gandhi now, it was his day out at the Mount Carmel College in Bengaluru. He was there to talk about the students and teachers, to interact with them, to take their questions. But the Congress Vice President was left red-faced after students responded in a resonating yes to his poser whether they thought the Prime Minister's ambitious Swachh Bharat and Make in India campaigns were working. Rahul later, talking to reporters, said the nature of the response of the students to these questions were not very clear.
Clean Your Country is a strategic national government program. Well, it's not working, is it? I don't see it working. You see it working? Okay, I don't see Swachh Bharat working very well.
Not stopping there, Rahul asked another question.
Okay, let's ask another question. Do you think Make in India is working? You think so? You think youngsters in India are getting jobs?
And yet again, he was left red-faced.
Huh?
Good afternoon, Mr. Gandhi. My name is Shakti.
And if this wasn't enough, there was more embarrassment in store for Rahul Gandhi.
Humongous corruption allegations were seen as the main reason for the disastrous Congress performance in the 2014 elections. But your recent tie-up with the RJD shows your willingness to compromise to defeat BJP instead of trying to restore the country's faith in your system.
In Bihar, it's generally accepted that Nitish Kumar is a honest leader. And Lalu Yadav ji's sons who are in the government have made a statement yesterday or day before saying that zero tolerance for corruption.
Well, the questions that have been posed to Rahul Gandhi at Mount Carmel College in Bangalore have been nothing less than googlies, I should say. He was literally stumped, wasn't he, in terms of... But what is the question that you asked him and what was the kind of reply? Are you satisfied with his reply?
Okay, the question that I asked him was with regard to the Northeast and Irom Sharmila. I asked him if Congress government and the BJP government, they should initiate a conversation with Irom Sharmila. But the answer that I got wasn't very satisfying.
How do you as youth feel? Do you think that such interactions of politicians directly with the youth help, or is it just politicking?
What I personally felt was there was no need of trying to bring out differences between political parties in today's interaction, because it's just an interaction with the youth and not an interaction about discussing how one political party is different from the other.
One of my teachers...
The BJP too took a jibe at Rahul Gandhi. However, Rahul downplayed the embarrassment he had to face in the Bengaluru college.
Swachh Bharat pe half the room said nothing has happened and some people said something has happened. Make in India, I think more people said not much has happened, some people said things have happened. Clean Your Country is a strategic...
Rahul Gandhi's attempt to ambush the Modi government amidst the young crowd ended up in a fiasco for him. The question is, has Rahul missed the pulse of the youth? With Rohini Swami in Bengaluru, Bureau Report, India Today.
I don't see Swachh Bharat working very well.